Cholera, the Blue Death, a horrible infliction caused by Vibrio cholera. But in nature, even this horrible pathogen can have a predator. There's a virus called ICP1 that hunts cholera. A recent study published in Nature tracked these two, the bacteria and the virus, in Bangladesh during the 2022 massive outbreak of cholera. The tragic outbreak provided an opportunity to study this molecular arms race between the virus and the bacteria in the hope to prevent the outbreaks in the future. And the arms race was pretty shocking. The bacteria made the first move by acquiring PLE11, a phage satellite. Think of it as a software upgrade that was hitching a ride on the bacteria's genome. This phage satellite allowed the cholera bacterium to have resistance against the attacking virus. And so PLE11 spread throughout the cholera population like a mandatory security patch. The attacking virus is a bacteriophage. Phage for short. It looks like this cool guy right here. The secret weapon inside PLE11 is a protein called RTA. And RTA is a tail jammer. It attacks the tape measure protein inside this bacterial phage, which the phage uses as a scaffold to build its tail. Without its tail, the phage cannot infect the bacterium. The virus becomes an inert box that has no way to attack a new victim. For the bacteria to spread PLE11 to its neighbors, it has to do some altruistic suicide. It has to die and spread. But the warfare wasn't over. DNA acquires mutations naturally. Think of them as typos in the genetic code. And the bacteriophage, in its tape measure protein, acquired some of these mutations, which had allowed it to get past the RTA protein. It also traded in some of its basic weapons for a CRISPR system that allowed it to shred the PLE11 genome. But PLE11 had the final plot twist. It was able to build a chimeric tail, a Frankenstein-style hardware built from both phage and bacteria parts. This allowed the PLE defense system to not only spread to other bacteria, but sabotage the assembly of the viral phage's tail. The reality of this arms race really blows my mind. Of course, the 2022 outbreak was caused by more than just these interactions. But understanding the microscopic arms race that's going on during these outbreaks will hopefully give us the wisdom to better combat them in the future.